It is Friday, so you know as well as I do what happens next. Please read Colossians chapter 1 verse 24 to chapter 2 verse 5. Now, question 1. You are the Apostle Paul. You are. What do you mean? No one told you? You're the Apostle Paul. Answer the following question as Paul. From verse 24, Paul, how could anything possibly be lacking in Christ's afflictions? How could anything possibly be lacking in Christ's afflictions? Question 2, you're still the Apostle Paul. Paul, how can what you suffered possibly be of any relevance for the church at Colossae? Or for the church in Wellingborough? Question 3, you will be relieved to find out that you are no longer the Apostle Paul. It's nice, isn't it? Describe the afflictions, the sufferings of Christ. How do they happen? And what is the result? Describe the afflictions, describe the sufferings of Christ. Question 4. What examples of his sufferings can you think of that take place after Jesus is risen? It's not a trick question. What examples of his sufferings can you think of that take place after Jesus is risen? And question 5, how would Paul have come to know about them? Okay. Question 6, Paul starts off on one side of the afflictions of Christ and ends up on the other. What examples do you know of people who have done that today? People who have started up on one side of the afflictions of Christ and ended up on the other. And question 7, with which we finish today. What is your experience of the afflictions, the sufferings of Christ? And with that, it just remains for you to imagine me shaking you vigorously by the hand, clasping you to my bosom and kissing you swiftly upon both cheeks. Because for you, the Friday quiz is over. Thank you for playing.